Let's make some beer cheese. The new member of our family, Stormy. Back to spoons of butter in our 10-inch cast iron skillet. Now whisk in 3 tablespoons of flour. When your flour is well combined, add 1/2 cup of lager beer. We're going to whisk this until well combined. Slowly add in 1 cup of whole milk while whisking. When all of your milk is well combined, it should look like this. Now add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Just kidding, wash your sister's sauce and mix well. Now whisk in the spices listed on the screen. Now add 1 cup of smoked Gouda cheese and mix. When that's melted, add 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar and whisk until nice and melty. After a few minutes, all of your cheese should be nice and melted, then it's ready to serve. We're eating ours with some soft pretzel bites.